Hi viewers, I am Raji Ramakrishnan. Today I am going to show you how to make sambar powder at home. For that, I have taken 3 cups of coriander seeds. Okay, this is dry roasted and kept it here. You dry roast the same in a kadai till a nice aroma comes, and at the same time you should not burn this. Around half cup of curry leaves I have dry roasted. 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds dry roasted. Don't burn it, otherwise it will give a very bitter taste to the sambar powder. And 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds dry roasted. 2 tablespoons of rice dry roasted. 1/4 cup cumin seeds. Normally in the sambar we don't add cumin seeds, but this is a different version of sambar powder I am making, so I have added cumin seeds. In the sambar powder normally we don't add black pepper and cumin seeds. The basic ingredients for the sambar is coriander seeds, chana dal, red chilli, little bit of fenugreek seeds, but that's all. That is the ingredients we use normally for the sambar, and the curry leaves. Now here around 12 tablespoons of chana dal, that is 4 tablespoons of chana dal makes 1/3 cup, so I have taken 3 1/3 cups of chana dal here, and 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of hing powder. Now chili powder, here I have got the eastern chili powder. You can add the Kashmiri chili powder also. Since this chili powder is made out of various dried chilies, so it will be very hot, so according to your requirement you can add the chili powder while grinding the all these ingredients, or you can, after grinding these ingredients into a fine powder, you can mix this red chili powder in it. According to your requirement you add it. If you want very spicy, you add it accordingly, and if you want less spice, you add it accordingly. So here I am not giving the measurement of the red chili powder because we want less spice. So after preparing this powder, while adding I'll tell you how much I have added for our requirement, as per our requirement. Now let us cool this and grind to a fine powder. Now mix together all the ingredients and grind to a powder. If you are using it for rasam, then minus the rice powder. I have mixed everything together. Now I will be grinding this to a fine powder. I have filled it above the blade level. That means half of the jar I have filled it. Now after grinding this, I will be adding 1/4 cup of chili powder in this and mix. I have ground this to a smooth powder. Now I will be adding 1/4 cup of chili powder in this. Remove this into a kadai, because again we have to mix it finally. So now divide this into 3 parts and grind it. Two tablespoons of turmeric powder. Mix this well. We could have added along with the chili powder also. I forgot to add, so I am adding it now and mixing it. Now our sambar powder is ready. I am sure you will like this powder. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Like, share and comment, and do give me your feedback. after preparing the same. Press the bell icon to get the recipes which I upload on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, happy cooking.